Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt like your home could use a little more life, a bit more of that fresh, natural vibe, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of indoor house trees. These aren't just your tiny little potted plants. We're talking about statement pieces that can truly transform a room from dull to dynamic. They purify the air, boost your mood, and add an incredible touch of style and elegance. So, if you're ready to bring the outdoors in, stick around as we explore 12 lovely indoor house trees that are perfect for your home. First up, we have the iconic fiddle leaf fig. You've probably seen this beauty all over social media, and for good reason. Its large, violin-shaped leaves create a dramatic, sculptural look. It loves bright, indirect light and a consistent watering schedule. Be careful not to overwater it, and you'll have a stunning focal point for any room. Next is the rubber tree. With its glossy, dark green, almost black leaves, this plant is both striking and incredibly easy to care for. It's quite forgiving and can tolerate lower light conditions than many other trees, making it a great choice for beginners. Just wipe its leaves down occasionally to keep them looking shiny and dust-free. Let's talk about the bird of paradise. This tropical queen brings an exotic flair with its huge banana-like leaves that naturally split as they age. It needs a lot of bright light, even some direct sun, to thrive and potentially even flower indoors. It's a fast grower and can get quite large, so make sure you have the space for this showstopper. Fourth on our list is the graceful Kentia palm. This is the epitome of elegance. Its feathery arching fronds create a lush tropical canopy. What's great about the Kentia palm is its tolerance for lower light and its relatively slow growth, making it a manageable and long-lasting addition to your indoor jungle. Moving on to the olive tree. If you're dreaming of a Mediterranean vibe, an indoor olive tree is perfect. Its delicate silvery green leaves are simply beautiful. It does need a lot of direct sunlight, so a spot right by a south-facing window is ideal. It's a bit more demanding, but the sophisticated look is totally worth it. Number 6 is the money tree, or Pachira aquatica. Known for its braided trunk and believed to bring good luck and prosperity, this tree is a popular choice. It's relatively easy to care for, preferring bright, indirect light and a good soak when the top few inches of soil are dry. It's a fun and symbolic plant to have around. Now for something a little different, the Norfolk Island pine. It looks just like a miniature Christmas tree with its soft needles and symmetrical branches. It enjoys bright, indirect light and high humidity. It's a charming tree that adds a touch of woodland magic to your home all year round. Eighth, we have the dragon tree, or Dracaena marginata. With its slender, woody stems and spiky, often red-edged leaves, it has a very cool architectural feel. It's another fantastic low-maintenance option that's tolerant of lower light and is great at purifying the air. A perfect plant for adding height to a corner. Next is the ever-popular snake plant, or Sansevieria. While often seen as a smaller plant, a mature snake plant Laurenti can grow quite tall with its stiff, upright leaves. It's nearly indestructible, thriving on neglect and tolerating very low light, making it the ultimate plant for beginners or busy people. At number 10, we have the yucca cane. This plant brings a bold desert vibe indoors with its sword-like leaves sprouting from a thick woody cane. It loves bright, direct sunlight and is very drought-tolerant, so be careful not to overwater it. It's a strong, structural plant that makes a real statement. Our 11th tree is the fishtail palm. Named for its unique leaves that look like the jagged tail of a fish, this palm offers a very full and feathery texture. It creates a dense, jungle-like feel and prefers bright, indirect light and consistent moisture. It's a truly unique and eye-catching specimen. Finally, number 12 is the corn plant, or Dracaena fragrans. This one features a thick, tree-like stalk with arching, corn-like leaves. It's another fantastic air purifier and is known for being very resilient. It can handle lower light levels and adds a wonderful touch of green to any space without much fuss. And there you have it, 12 fantastic indoor trees to elevate your home decor. From the easygoing snake plant to the dramatic bird of paradise, there's a tree out there for every style and every level of plant parent. Adding one of these green giants can make such a difference, not just visually, but for your overall well-being. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant-filled content. See you next time.